Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As the sun sets, as the hunger fades, as this fast comes to an end, this moment, Iftar, is not just food for the body, it is mercy for the soul. Ya Allah, I am here, tired, imperfect, but hopeful. Ya Allah, you are Al-Ghafoor, Ya Allah, the one who forgives again and again. Even when I repeat the same mistake, you are Ar-Rahim, Ya Allah, not harsh, not distant, but endlessly gentle with your servants. If my sins were mountains, your forgiveness would still be greater. If I return 1,000 times, you never say enough. Ya Allah, today I reject the lie that tells me I am too broken. If I were truly lost, you would not have brought me to Ramadan. If you did not want me, you would not have opened my heart to Tawbah. The fact that I feel regret is proof that you still care about me. I am not too far gone. I am being called back. Astaghfirullah for the sins I remember and the sins I forgot. Astaghfirullah for the nights I disobeyed you and the days I delayed returning. Astaghfirullah with a heart that wants to be clean again. Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah, Astaghfirullah. Ya Allah, forgive me with a forgiveness that leaves no trace. Replace my shame with hope, my weakness with strength, my past with guidance. Ya Allah, do not treat me as I deserve, but as you deserve to forgive. Make me among those whose sins are erased, whose hearts are renewed, and whose future is brighter than their past. Ya Allah, I trust you, I return to you, and I will keep returning until my last breath. Ya Allah. Ameen, Ameen, Ya Rabbil Alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Jazakumullah khairan.